Welcome to our lesson about the Arc tool. Let's begin with a sketch. Now let's activate the Arc tool. It's got three subtools: center point arc, tangent arc, and a three-point arc. Let's start with the center point arc. The first click establishes the center of the arc. The second click establishes the radius and the start point of the arc. The third click establishes the direction and the angle of the arc. By the way, you don't need to hold down the mouse button while you're dragging and clicking. Let's try the three-point arc next. The first click sets the center point. The second click establishes the length. And the last click establishes the radius as well as the arc direction. Lastly, let's try a tangent arc. We select one point. Now we can establish the radius and the angle of the arc. Right-click and select to exit the tool. As you see here, we've got the tangency symbol. This arc is tangent to this arc at this point. Let's take a look at another way to create a tangent arc. I'm going to start with the line tool. Right-click and select to close the line tool. And let's activate the tangent arc command. Let's select this point for our tangency. When I move away, I create a tangent arc. If I want to create an arc that's perpendicular to this line, I move back to the origin point and start moving in the direction where I want the arc to be. The second left click will place the arc. Here we go. And another arc. And double-click to end the arc chain. Now let's activate the line tool again. Place a line right here. To switch to the arc tool without clicking on the command manager, just move back to the last point and then move in the direction where you want to place the arc. If you need to switch back to the line tool, you can just right-click and select Switch to Line. Now I can right-click and select Switch to Arc. Let's exit the sketch. And this concludes our tutorial about the Arc command.